All right, here's your ab circuit. Bethany's gonna do a roll over, and then a jump up. Okay, and then right from there, she's gonna do a little cardio pattern, and then from there, she's gonna do a bicycle. So she's gonna do 2 ab, and then a cardio in between. All right, Bethany.
Okay.
She's gonna show 2 forms, one for beginner and one for advanced. Notice how she rolls down. Her knees are exactly in the same position every time. That's gonna use your core, and she's gonna use her hands to pop up. She's gonna softly roll down and softly roll up, using that momentum to jump up. You notice how she uses her arms to jump right off the ground. Good job. So right from there, she's gonna show exactly what to do with the cardio section. So she's gonna jump out and then jump up. Now, for those of you who have a lower back issue, you want to not jump up so high. Okay, just jump out and jump in. Good. 2 more. And 1 more. Right from there, she's going to stand up, roll back. She's going to go right in the bicycle. And notice how she brings her elbows to opposite knee. And she knows how the shoulder rocks off the ground. She's going to go 1 long line, pointing out. Now pick it up really fast. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job.